This is Sheena. She is asking, how are you? To whom is she asking? She is asking to Raghu. Now Raghu replies, this is Raghu, and he replies, I am fine. Sheena said to Raghu, how are you? This is a direct speech. Sheena asked Raghu that how he was. This is indirect speech. Today we are going to learn direct and indirect speech. The direct speech is always within inverted commas. What is the main difference? How do we know what is the difference between direct and indirect speech? Direct speech is always with the punctuation mark, that is with comma and inverted comma, and it is separated from the rest of the sentence usually by a comma. As I told, no inverted commas are used in the indirect speech. In the indirect speech, a conjunction, if necessary, is used to join the reported speech with the rest of the sentences. Conjunction is that, but it is not always required. Now, rule 1. If the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech remains unchanged. For example, direct sentence. Ashu says, Pammi is going to England. So, says is a simple present. How we are going to narrate in indirect speech? Ashu says that Pammi is going to England. It remains unchanged. Only we use conjunction that. And you can see how we have highlighted inverted commas in different shade to different color to understand better. Direct speech. Next example. The peon will say all the children have become very naughty. So the peon will say, it's a simple future, will say. So here also no changes in indirect speech. The peon will say that all the children have become very naughty. Only we have used that. We have removed the punctuation mark. We have replaced it with that. Rule 2. This is important. Here all the helping verbs get changed. Like is, are, am changed to was and were changed to had been changed to no change, has, have changed to and had no change. Now simple present and simple past. Do becomes did, simple past. Did becomes had done, past perfect, had done, no change. Will, shall, would. In certain cases, shall might be changed into could. May and can, could. Would, should, might, could, ought to, used to. There is no change. And for must, it is had to. Examples. Suresh said Rama is very successful. In indirect speech, Suresh said that Rama was very successful. We replace punctuation mark with that and is become was. Next, Radha says it is raining heavily. In indirect speech, Radha said it was raining heavily. Change the following direct speech into indirect. These are the few examples which we are going to solve. He said Gopi slipped when he was trying to board a bus. The shopkeeper said all the goods in the shop are genuine. The station master said the trains are running late because some tracks have been damaged by floods. Fourth sentence, the air hostess said the hijackers were trying to scare the passengers in the plane. This exercise, after explaining the rules, we can give this to the students as an assignment. Now rule 3. In the reported speech, if the reported speech expresses a universal truth or a habitual fact, its tenses remain unchanged. Teacher said, "This is house in Jannah." This is a fact. It is our imagination, but we know God has created a house for us in Jannah. It only depends upon our deeds to get it. Now, the old beggar said, "Poverty is a great curse." So, of course, poverty is a great curse. It's a universal truth. There is no change. Mother said, "Young children are very restless." So, this is also a truth. Children are always restless. So, here also, when you are changing, there will be no change. There will be no change except replacement of punctuation mark. Now, exercise 2. The principal will say rules have to be followed at any cost. The principal will say that rules have to be followed at any cost. He said all the players must report in time. He said that all the players must report in time. The old man said a bad workman always quarrels with his tools. It's a proverb. The old man said that a bad workman always quarrels with his tools. Your servant said, "I confess my fault and beg to be excused." Here there will be change of pronouns. Your servant said that punctuation mark will be replaced by that, and I will become he, that he confessed his fault and begged to be excused. Pramod said, "I could not attend the marriage because of my father's illness." Pramod said that he could not attend the marriage because of his father's illness. The coach said to me, "If you improve your service, you can become a good tennis player." The coach said to me that if I improve my service, I could become a good tennis player. I said to him, "You did right to come." I said to him that he did right to come. Now, rule 4. This is very important. This is generally asked in the paper. This and these will change to that and those. Here will change to there. Now to then. Ago before. Today that day. Yesterday the day before. The previous day. Direct speech. Tomorrow becomes the next. Tomorrow or the following day becomes tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day. Next week or year becomes the following week or the following year. Last week or year will become the previous week. Examples. Direct. He said, "I shall discuss this matter next week." He said that he would discuss that matter. This matter will change to that matter the following week. Direct sentence. She said, "We shifted to this house 2 weeks ago." Indirect speech. She said that they had shifted to that house 2 weeks before. Thanks for watching.